So let me show you how to enable automatic power off on the Sony XM6 headphones. So the first thing you want to do is go to the Sony Connect app. So the Sony Sound Connect app. So that's the app for your headphones. And once you have it all set up, simply scroll to device settings, tap on that, and then tap on system at the top here. And under system, if you scroll down, you should see automatic power off. Now you can see mine says do not turn off, which means it's disabled. So to enable it, select this option. It says off when headphones are removed. Headphones will turn off automatically if not worn for a certain amount of time. Now, I'm not quite certain how much time that is, but it looks like it's about 3 to 5 minutes. So anyway, once that is selected, you are good to go. So now whenever you're not wearing your headphones, they've been taken off from your ears, and they're idle for some time, they will automatically shut themselves off to save your battery. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.